You earn money. You save some of it. But then comes the big question. Where should I invest? Fixed deposit? Stocks? Gold? Real estate? Everyone gives different advice, and that confusion often leads to doing nothing. In this video, I'll clearly explain the main types of investments in simple language so you can understand where your money really fits. By the end of this video, you'll understand the most common types of investments, how each one works in real life, risk level and return expectations, which investments suit beginners and why. This is a personal finance basics guide, made simple. An investment is money you put somewhere to grow over time. You give up using money today, so it can give you more money tomorrow. Different investments grow money in different ways. Some are safe, some are risky, some give slow returns, some give fast returns. Let's break them down one by one. Fixed deposits (FD). Fixed deposits are one of the safest investments. You give money to a bank for a fixed time. The bank gives you guaranteed interest. Why people like FDs? Very low risk. Predictable returns. Easy for beginners. Limitations. Returns are usually low, may not beat inflation. FDs are good for emergency funds, short-term goals, conservative investors. Stocks, shares. When you buy a stock, you buy a small part of a company. If the company grows, your money grows. If the company struggles, your money can fall. Why people invest in stocks? High growth potential. Beat inflation over long term. Risks. Prices go up and down daily. Needs patience and learning. Stocks are good for long-term goals. People who can handle risk. Mutual funds. Mutual funds collect money from many people and invest it in stocks, bonds, or both. A professional fund manager handles the investment. Why beginners like mutual funds? Diversification. Professional management. Lower risk than direct stocks. Types. Equity funds. Debt funds. Hybrid funds. Mutual funds are ideal for budgeting for beginners. Long-term wealth building. Monthly investing. Gold investment. Gold has been trusted for generations. You can invest through physical gold, gold ETFs, digital gold. Benefits, hedge against inflation. Works well in uncertain times. Drawbacks, no regular income. Prices can stay flat for years. Gold is best used as a safety balance, not your main investment. Real estate. Real estate means land or property investment. You earn through property value increase, rental income. Advantages, tangible asset, long-term wealth. Challenges, high starting cost, low liquidity, maintenance issues. Real estate suits long-term investors, people with stable income. Comparing risk and return, simple view. The low risk, low return. Gold, medium risk, moderate return. Mutual funds, medium risk, good return. Stocks, high risk, high potential return. Real estate, medium to high risk, long-term return. There is no best investment, only the right one for your goal. Common investment mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, chasing high returns. High returns always come with high risk. Understand the risk first. Mistake 2, putting all money in one option. Diversification protects your money. Mistake 3, investing without a goal. Every investment should have a purpose. Investing is not about copying others. It's about knowing why you are investing. Before choosing any option, ask yourself, what is my goal, timeline, and risk comfort? Once you answer that, investing becomes clear.